on it. Thank you. I can kind of hear the boat motor. It stinks in here, huh? A little bit, yeah. Oh, we're moving backwards. Cool.
¿Cuántos kilómetros son?
Son 5.
5 kilometers.
Neat.
Media hora.
Half an hour.
Holy shit. Do you want me to take this off so you can look? Your son is not here anymore.